Hi guys, how's everyone?
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Is it going to held for 2 hours today?
What?
Is the class going to be held for 2 hours today?
No, it's only for 1 hour.
You mentioned twice in the timings, that's why I'm asking.
I deleted one message, right? Or I forgot to delete.
No? Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Forgotten to do it.
Okay. Let me delete it.
No, no issues, sir.
Mm, Okay, you're right. Okay, anyways, let's start with this. Okay, okay, guys, so let me share the screen. Okay, guys, is my screen visible and clear? Okay, guys, so I hope you remember this library API we were working on. Okay, so we were doing some automations and we have already done this automation, right? Like add book and the properties, okay? Like if it has message and if it has properties, okay? Okay, guys, I will comment out this for a reason. I will tell you what's the reason, but right now I will be commenting out on this, okay? And in the body, I'll be making some changes. ISBN I will say 9123 and here I will add on 78. Okay. And author is Nikhil, that's fine. Okay. And now I will send this. Okay. Okay. Successfully added and the ID is this. Okay. And let me uncomment this and I will just make some changes. Okay. Message and ID are common in both the messages, either it's already existing or not. But I will add one more test case pm.expect. I want to check if the value of this message, I want to check if the value of this message is successfully added or not. Okay, JSON data. To go inside this JSON data, I will say JSON data dot. Now you see, I have all these things. Okay, I will type in the message. Message is the property JSON data dot message. Okay, dot to equal equal to what? Equal to this string. Okay, I will just copy the string. Okay, and paste it here. All right guys. Okay, and this has some error. Equal. Okay, what's the issue in here? What's the error? Okay, I need not to use this dot, right? Okay, so right now this is going to fail because this book is already added, and now when I will hit this API again, when I am going to hit this API again, this will intentionally fail. Okay, because the message will change to book already exist. Okay, give me a thumbs up guys if you understood this. then I will hit the API. Okay. Okay, cool guys. See, the book already exists, and let me open the test results tab, and you see it's failed. It says assertion error, expected book already exists, but it's not equal to successfully added. Okay, you see, you got the reason why it failed. Okay, so now guys, every time okay, let's first of all not focus on this. Let's first of all focus on this ID. Okay, see, what is this ID? This ID is addition of ISBN and IL number. Okay, let me show you the body. See, N123265780. This should be the ID. N12326755780. And this is the addition of these two strings. Do you got that, guys? Do you got that, guys? Okay, so these were few basic things. Okay, so the first thing is, let's define a global rule. Let's define a global rule that any company code or any ID, or I will say any ISBN number, will start from NIK. Okay, any number will start from NIK. Any number will start from NIK. Okay, that's for all of the API in this collection. Okay, so I will go to environment variables and open my global variables. Okay, let me just uncomment this, guys. Okay, and I will add here. I will add here company code. I will call this company code P. That means company code prefix, and that will be a default. And the value for this will be NIK. Okay, NIK. Okay, okay, guys, you got that? Give me a thumbs up. I have done nothing. I have just added this. Okay, that's pretty fine. Let me save this. Okay, that's safe. Now let me come back. Guys, do you remember I told you that there are two types of scripts? One is post response and the one is pre-request script. Okay, the one is pre-request script. Okay, you guys will understand what I am doing. Just follow me. Okay, just follow me. I am going to extract the code here, which I have set in the global variables. How do I do that? See very carefully. I will create a variable const code. Code is equals to, I will say postman to find out the global variables. Okay, so this globals keyword is used to access global variables. Okay, dot. Now I want to get the global variables. So I will say get, and which variable I want to get? I want to get company code. Okay, see, I want to get company code prefix. That is company code P. So I got that. Okay, guys. Okay, is that clear? Give me a thumbs up if everything is clear till here. Okay, and ISBN. We also need an integer in ISBN, right? We also need an integer in ISBN. Okay, and now I will go to the collection, and in collection variables, I will just create a variable ISBN. Okay, I will just create a variable ISBN. Okay,
Change ISBN, it's INBN.
okay. Let me do that. Okay, I will do this. Guys, this is very important question or project, very important code. Okay. So understood this very, very carefully. Okay. Okay. Now I want to set the value of this. Okay, guys, allow me a minute. Let me think of it again, once again. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay. So I have created a variable in collection variable that the name of this variable is ISBN. Okay. I will come back to the request again and I will say const value. I'm going to generate a random number here. Okay. I'm going to generate a random number here. How do you do that? Const variables dot replace in. Okay. And here we have to write a random integer code. Okay. That's how you write a random integer. Okay. You will say random int. Okay. I hope I have written this correctly. If this is not correct, we will see on the documentation. Okay, what this line is going to do, this line is just going to generate a random integer value. Okay, now see very carefully what I am writing. Pm dot collection variables. ISBN is already in collection variable. Okay, ISBN is already in collection variable. Okay, coming back to here. So collection variables. Okay, dot set. Now I want to set the value of collect ISBN. Okay, what is the value of, what value I want to set? I want to set the value of ISBN. And what should be the value? The value should be code plus val. What's the code? Code is coming from global variable. What is the code? The code is NIK. Code is coming from global variable. Then we have generated a random integer number. Okay. And after generating a random integer number, we are setting the ISBN value, which is code plus value. That means nick plus some random integer. Okay. That will be the value of our, that will be the value of our ISBN. Okay. That would be the value of our ISBN. Okay, is this clear, guys? Is everything clear till here? Now going here, I will replace this. Going to replace this with what? I want here, I am accessing ISBN here. What's ISBN here? ISBN, it will be accessing the collection level ISBN. Whatever the value it will get, whatever the value it will get with the pre-request script. See, here in the pre-request script, the code we have written will generate a random value for ISBN. What was the requirement of this API? The ISBN should be unique. Okay, the ISBN should be unique. Okay, now we have done this. Okay, now ISBN is unique every time. Okay, now, let me hit send. Now you will see that book already exists, will never come. Okay, guys. I guess there is the requirement of only one bracket. Okay, guys, allow me a minute to check this. Okay, I got the issue. I need to add in a dollar sign here. Okay, now this should work properly. Do you see? Now the message book already exists is not coming. Every time I am hitting a random ID is generated. See, right now the ID is 9922 and its last is 780. I will hit send again, the ID will again change. See, 150. See, but 26780 is same because that's the, what's that? 780 is this. We have already, set IL number. Okay, and the ID is combination of ISBN plus IL number. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you understood this code. Okay, guys, great. That is great. Now, let's do some more automation on this. Okay, I will add in the post response, and now this time, this test is not going to fail anyway. Okay, because the message will be every time successfully added. Okay, the message will be every time successfully added. Let me show you the test results. Okay, see, passed. It will be passed every time. Any number of times I am going to hit the key. See, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. It's every time pass. Do you got that, guys? Do you got that? That was a very important question. That was a very important, very important question. Do you got that? How to set variables and how to get variables from any level? Do you got this? Do you got this, guys? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you got this. Okay, guys. Let's see headers. Show hidden headers. Okay, I want to check if the content type header is present in this or not. If this API request is containing header type request or not. Oh, sorry, header content type or not. Okay, so this is how we are going to do this. I will add in here pm dot response. Okay, I want to check my response in my response. Let me show you, it's even present in response. Okay, you see content type. Okay, you see it's present in response as well. Okay, so pm dot response dot to dot have what header. Okay, header should be content type. Okay, okay, let me also match the uppercase and lowercase, guys. Content type. Okay, let me save this and hit enter again, and let us check the test results. Let's hit it one more time and see if there are any exceptions or not. Do you see, guys? Every time I hit the API, it's good. It's working good. All right. Okay. Now I want to check. Now I want to check the value of this. Okay. The value of this header. Okay. So let me see this. Okay. The value is application JSON. Okay. This is the value. Okay. So let's see how is this done. PM dot expect. Now I am comparing some values. Okay. PM dot expect. PM dot response. Okay. The headers are always in the response, right? Okay. I need not to add PM. I will just get with response. Response dot headers dot getting the header. I got the header. Now what header I want? I want the header content type. Okay. I want the header content type should be equal to should be equal to application.json. Okay. All right. Let's see if this passes or not. Okay. Let's move to the test results. Okay. It says response is not defined. Okay. This shouldn't be. Okay. Let me add pm dot response here. See if it works. Ideally, it should work. Okay, it's failed again. Hmm. Okay, guys, just allow me a minute to check this. Why we got a failure on this? Okay, PM dot response. The response is it should not fail though. PM dot expect. Hmm. Not sure if this is going to work or not, but let's check it. Okay, it's still not working. Okay, allow me a minute, guys. Let's debug this. Why it's not working? We need to figure this out. Okay. Let me comment out this. This is obviously wrong. Okay. Okay. This is the response cannot. Okay, what's the error right now? If response contains defined properties. Not even here. Equal to application.json. Response is not defined. Let's say response is not defined. Okay. Okay, it added a PM that I already tried, I guess. Let's try it again. It still failed. So even the let me try it once again. Okay. The PM is correct. We have the wrong assertion. We need to enter the complete value. Okay. Let me enter this. And this should work now. This should work now perfectly. Okay, it didn't work still. Deeply equal to. Okay, this has a slash also. Let me enter that slash and see if it works or not. Okay, let me save this. Okay, this gives an error. Okay, it passed. See, we were actually giving the wrong value. Okay, guys, so everything is clear till here, right? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if everything is clear till here.
Nikhil, what does it mean that if response contains defined properties?
That's just the name of this test and nothing else. Let me just, it's written two times. Okay. Okay, let me save this. That's just the name of this test case and nothing else here. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, I also want to check the performance of this. Okay. I want to see if the response time is less than 1 second. Okay. So how I am going to check this? How I am going to check this? Okay, guys, allow me a minute. Just allow me. Okay. So PM dot expect PM dot response. Okay. Dot response time. So that means Postman is expecting the the response time of this response to be below how much seconds? 1200 milliseconds. Okay, that's fine. That's approximately 1 second, right, guys? Am I right, guys? Give me a thumbs up if everything is good till here, guys. Guys, I am expecting a thumbs up here. Okay, let's run this. And you see the tests are passed. And you see the response time is 1.09 second, a slight above. Let me make this constraint a little bit more. I will say 800 milliseconds. Okay, and you see this time it's gonna fail. See, expected 998 to be below 800, but 998 is not below 800. See, the response time was 998 milliseconds. Let's keep this 1200 seconds, okay, for standard purposes. Okay, guys, so give me a thumbs up if you understood this. Okay, guys, now I want to check if this string added is present in this response or not. Okay, I just want to check. I'm not asserting the full value. I just want to check if the string added is present in this response or not. Okay, so PM dot expect. What I am expecting? Response dot text. Okay, I am expecting it from text. To include. What's the string? The string is added. Okay. Okay, guys, let's open the test results. And you see, this is passed. Alright, guys. If this whole test from here, everything we did from starting till this thing, is this clear, guys? I'm hoping that these are clear. Right, guys? Guys, give me a thumbs up if everything is clear, because now I'm going to take doubts. Okay, we will use these 15 minutes for the doubts. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead with doubts. Okay, Navnath. Any doubts till these 5 lectures?
Actually, no doubt, sir.
Have you completed all the 5 lectures?
I'm actually completing, but also I'm currently working as an intern in company, so not able to give much time.
Okay, no worries. But try to, since these lectures are only on weekends, I guess no one is working on weekends. So try to complete the lectures, guys. Okay.
That's what.
Okay. And Spandana's, is this the correct pronunciation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts still here?
Once we practice today's class, we might get doubts next week, tomorrow.
Okay. And what about the last lectures?
It's no issues, sir.
Okay. Everything is good and clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. And Ranu, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Everything is clear till these 5 lectures, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Sujit, what about you?
Sir, I have already completed 2 lectures on this API testing.
Okay.
So if I'm today I will continue another 4 lectures.
Okay. And no doubts till 2 lectures, right?
Yeah, no doubts. If
Okay.
I'm getting down, then I will ask for that.
Okay, great. And what about Siddhi?
Yeah, in session 4, I have a doubt that when you change the environment from production to UAT, so it should not show the book already exists. It should show that book successfully exists. For me, it is not.
Only it will only show book successfully added when it's not present in the environment. If you have once added it in the prod or UAT, it doesn't matter if it's prod or UAT. If the book is once added in UAT and you are trying the same book again on the UAT, then it's not going to add. It will say book already exists. Same is true for production. That I have done just to show the example. That see, this book is already added on production, but now I will switch the environment since I have not used the UAT environment even once. So this will be added on UAT successfully. Okay.
And I also did not use any time that UAT environment.
Maybe see the API is same. Maybe anyone else has entered the same book already with the same ID. Got it? It's the same API everyone is using, right?
But from production, if I'm getting if I'm deleting the book, so if I'm now using UAT environment to check the same book, so it should show that book successfully added.
Repeat the question. You said you added a book and deleted it in the production, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Added
and
the
then
book.
now checking for UAT.
Wait. You added a book in production, deleted the same book in production. Okay.
Exactly.
Now you are checking in UAT.
UAT.
Right? Yes. If the book is existing in UAT, then it will show the book exists. And if the book is not existing, then obviously it will be not existing.
Okay, but how can I verify this? Because I'm a bit confused here. Because
Use Get API. Use Get API. Get API is used to get all the data. You will get to know what data is present or what not. We have a API Get Book by ID. See, we have this API Get Book by ID. All right. You can verify using this request. All right. You right now it's using author name, but we also have by ID. Okay.
Yes.
I have shared the API contract in the drive. Go through the API contract once. Okay.
One issue is also there that for you, when you were like working on get request, so there for you, book name is like message successfully added message was coming with the ID name, but for me it was not coming with the ID name.
Just send me the screenshot, okay? We will verify this.
Okay, okay.
This cannot happen. API is same for everyone.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, and one more question. How we can perform load testing using API?
That's non-functional testing. That isn't a part of API testing. Okay, we can check minor performances check that I just shown, like this one. Just a second. Allow me a minute.
Because this question was asked in an interview, so I was
Yeah,
wondering about
you can do that using JMeter, but it's not possible with Postman at least. Okay.
it. There, but they mentioned that perform load testing using API with response code 800.
With response code,
800.
800 isn't a response code. Let me check if this.
Yeah, exactly. We just learned till
Then
4x.
they were either trying to confuse you or either they were lacking the knowledge. 800 is not a response code.
Yeah, even I was confused there that even I did not heard about 800.
Still, let's check. There might be chances that this is a response code. Okay, that's a system specific error. That isn't a global error. Okay, that isn't a global error, so we cannot consider this as a API response code. Okay.
Okay. So it means why they mentioned there?
Most probably they were trying to confuse you.
Okay. Got it.
Ranu, you were
But
saying
we
something.
can, but we can do load testing.
The thing is, you can do load testing. That's possible, but with JMeter, you cannot do this with Postman at least. Okay, that is the point number one. Okay, the response code is a different scenario, but yeah, with JMeter you can do load testing over APIs. Most of the load testings are done over API only. Okay.
Okay, will we see there in the next upcoming lecture?
No, performance testing comes under non-functional testing, and those are not part of this course. Okay, we will be majorly focusing on API automation using Postman. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Anyone else? Any doubts? I guess we are done for today's lecture. Okay, guys. Have a great day. We are done for today's. Okay, guys. See you in the next class.